Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be accessory video. So we are going to put a tempered glass on the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now this time we are actually going to use the MI protective glass itself. Now I chose this one because I saw this written on it. So it's actually glass by Corning. So Corning, a lot of people may not know Corning, but they might remember Gorilla Glass. So this is the same company. So the glass quality should be good, and this time onwards the phone, this phone, the Note 8, is actually flat from the front, so the screen is not curved. So I have an option of putting a full screen tempered glass. So this one apparently is full screen, but it actually does not go to the entire corner. It actually leaves a little bit of space for a back cover to be put in. Now normally what happens is when you put in a back cover on the phone, then you see that space that it takes. So that in that space the glass comes in between and then it pushes the glass up. So that's why a lot of people have issues with tempered glass, and most of the time it ends up breaking because of a little bit of push. When it gets a hit, it cracks from there. So hopefully this one is going to be good. So let's go ahead, open this up, put it on the phone, and then see how good it's going to be. Now the price on this is $599. I actually got it for 400 rupees from the MI store in Kanjirapalli, Kerala. So let's go ahead, open this up. Now you have that classic MI sticker, but this time onward it looks like, okay, so it's not paper this time. Now it's plastic. So if someone opens it up, they can put it back. Okay, let's keep this aside. So this is the entire kit. Let's open this up. Okay, nice case. So this will make sure that your pack doesn't bend and doesn't break the tempered glass. Okay, so you have the instruction manual here. Okay, so we'll be doing all that right now. So you have one microfiber cloth. So this actually attracts all the minute dust. So you see the dust over here. So when it goes over it, it'll just stick to the cloth, to the cloth, and then you can put the tempered glass. Now before that, we'll use this to wipe. So this is the wet wipe, and then you have the dry wipe. So first, let's remove the wet wipe. Wet wipe. Okay, so let's take the wet wipe and clean the surface. Now this will have a little bit of alcohol in it so that it actually evaporates, doesn't stay on the screen. Now best practice is to actually switch off the phone so that it doesn't keep doing that. Actually, I'll switch it off. Okay. Now let's take the dry wipe. Okay, that's done. Now let's take the tempered glass out. Now one issue that I'll have is, now if I put it in put it on, I will not know whether it's going to touch the case or not. So what I'll do now is I'll actually put it in the case first. I'll have to clean the surface again because I'm going to touch the cover. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay, let me just use the microfiber cloth after this. Just gently. Now you see there's a dust particle here. Now this is what the microfiber cloth does. It will just attract it. So all you have to do is just do this. Don't even have to be rough. Okay, looks like it's clean enough. So just make sure it's nice and clean, nothing is left. Now let's open this up. Now there's only one side like this, so let's open that up and align it properly. Like that. I think that should be good. Okay, so just leave it. Now you should see it automatically going till the end. Okay, that's actually superb. Normally what happens is you get these small dots, so you have to take the microfiber cloth and then rub it out. So this one did not actually leave, I mean it did not leave any mark at all. So that's actually nice. Now let me just rub it. So the corners, a little bit of bubbles which actually remain in the corner, that will go off. Okay, perfect fit. Okay, so it's actually covering the display properly, and it's not in or out of this line where the display actually ends. So it's just right. So make sure when you put it, you actually align it properly, because a little bit of shake towards this side or that side, it will go out. So this is a perfect fit, excellent fit. Now I can actually show you how it actually looks like. Okay, so that's how it'll look like, perfect fit. So I would suggest go for the MI's protective glass itself. It's from Corning and it's not too expensive. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.